Welcome, boys and girls, to another exciting edition of Vocabulary. This week, the story we are working on for Unit 3, Week 2 is Dear Mrs. LaRue, Letters from Obedience School. Sounds pretty fun. Our first word this week is neglected. When you neglected something, you forgot or failed to do it. I neglected to give Mom the phone message. What are some reasons why homework might get neglected? Our next word is appreciated. If you appreciated something, you valued it. I appreciated the chance to attend the concert. What are some things that you've appreciated getting the opportunity to do? Next word is misunderstood. If something is misunderstood, it is not correctly known. I misunderstood this task, so I did extra work. Think about a time when you might misunderstand something or something that you misunderstood in the past. The next word is desperate. Someone who is desperate will do just about anything to help or change a situation. I was so desperate for advice, I even asked my sister. What do you think the difference is between being worried and being desperate? Our next word is endured. Things that are endured are put up with. Dad endured reading me the same bedtime story when I was little because he knew it was my favorite. In Minnesota, we endured the cold each winter, even though it's not our favorite thing for some of us. Our last word is obedience. Obedience is doing what you are told when you are told to do it. Obedience is expected of all students during assemblies. When do you think obedience is important for public safety? Those are your words for this week. You can now make sure they're recorded in your notebook, and then you may fill out your word squares for this week.